My name is Reed Calkins. I'm a project engineer here on this BART extension.
My name is Brad Nystrom, and I'm Deputy Project Director.
My name's Stefan Rubendahl. I'm with LAN, and I'm the project manager for the two stations and also function as a QA on the project.
So the project we have is the SVBX, or the Silicon Valley BART extension. It is a 10-mile long project that connects the existing end-of-line BART facility in Fremont to San Jose. 10 miles, 2 stations, and a little over $800 million worth of construction.
We use Revu in several ways, just basic markups, which you kind of forget about because it's so simple to use. It's effortless, and then we get into a little more sophistication. We use it a lot for overlays to see what's changed, and within the overlays using different layers sometimes, if the drawings are offset or whatnot.
The project is design build, and so when the designer came up with conceptual and definitive design packages, they were delivered to us electronically. We took those drawings, and instead of page flipping on hard copies, we used Revu to do all of our markups, make our comments, make our constructability comments, and return it back to the designer. We saw that this cut down many days of process, shaving 3 to 4 days off of our constructability review timeline.
I think the benefits and the savings are huge, both in cost and money. A job like this, the burn rate on the cost is huge. So if we're able to get something turned around, comments in and back out, within a day versus what used to take 5 days, you almost can't measure that.
Whether it be between the designers and us field guys, or the field engineers and the superintendents and the foremen who are actually doing the work in the field, Bluebeam is a great tool because it's visual and it's easy to use, and it's really helped us to facilitate problems that we've found during this whole design build process and getting the work completed.
We also use the studio session quite a bit because we have a number of reviewers that are spread across the city, if not the nation, and that allows us to get timely input on a single document versus having to deal with a whole bunch of hard copies and trying to collate those together.
And we've continued to use Revu subsequently in the construction phasing to help do layout, to do construction planning, and to better communicate our ideas to the client, the community, and other stakeholders. And the Revu tool allowed us to, in one location, better communicate what's on a set of plan drawings by being able to do the annotations and by marking it up either in live time in meeting sessions or marking it up and sending it back and forth via email. This helped non-construction people have a window into the construction process and made our lives easier in trying to communicate.
Our designers are located in one office and our field personnel are located in a different office, so it's nice to be able to coordinate these things simultaneously for the different offices without having to go and sit in on meetings where we can just do it over the web.
What's fun about this project is I feel like we're really able to take full advantage of Revu with the number of people and the size of the project. It's nice when you're doing it on a small project and it's effective, but this one, it really pays off because, again, we can have hundreds of eyes on a single set drawing all at once, getting feedback, and get that back out to the respective parties, within days.